Hey everyone, Rad. The logo in the back is very cinematic, isn't it?
That's really cool.
You nervous?
I'm getting nervous now.
I'm really excited. We can't handle heat. We were just talking about this in the car. She can handle heat more than I can, but she hasn't been eating heat lately.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't remember the last spicy thing I ate, so I'm kind of nervous. I'm not gonna lie. But
Yeah, we're so nervous, but we got this in the bag.
literally.
Speaking of the bag, let's see what's in the bag. Oh, I spilled some water. We got like 3 water cups, just in case.
Yes.
Yeah, she asked for gloves. I didn't really take part in the asking. Because
I'm scared I'm gonna like touch my face, touch my nose, and then.
oh yeah, we really touch ourselves.
Yeah. Okay.
This is a big tender.
It really is.
Can we show this tender? Should I take the camera and show it, or should we just, yeah, let's just,
Oh god.
thumbnail. Yeah, let's just put that back on there. Shoot, I wanted to eat a fry.
We can just like other finger.
What finger? Your thumb? Because you touched it with your mouth. But I guess, yeah.
No.
Get the fuck away from me, fucking fly.
Oh god! Wait, I tasted it.
Just take a bite, just take a bite.
Oh, okay.
This fly's fucking pissing me off.
Yeah.
Ew, this tastes gross. Honestly. The flavor? Flavor's off. This is fucking awful. I'm not thinking.
Wait, how do we stop? How do I stop this? I feel it. Oh my tongue. Wait, how do I stop this? We should have bought ice cream.
My tongue, my ear.
It's getting worse.
Fucking hell.
I'm crying.
Your eye is so red. No littering, we have to pick this up.
It's just getting worse, you guys.
On a bright, windy day.
I'm just gonna like sit in my pain. It's like all over my mouth. I just keep.
I'm just pissed off it tasted like shit.
There's like tears still streaming down my
Did you
face.
take a bigger bite than me?
Oh, I did. Wait. Where's the glove? You have more, right?
For what?
I'm gonna
Just
show
to
them.
examine?
I'm gonna show them. If you guys need a lip plumper.
So this one was my bite.
You guys. And then this is my bite. The difference is uncanny.
No, it's actually pretty much the same.
Oh, is it?